Question 16 of the UTME 2018 Physics Past Question, that's your Jamb 2018 Physics exam. It says, which of the following statements are true of what? Isotopes. Okay, I hope you remember what an isotope is and the properties of isotope. Okay, if you don't remember, let me just give you the properties of isotopes. Now, the first property is that isotopes have the same what? Number of what? Protons. Okay, and the second is that what? They have the same what? Chemical properties. Okay, isotopes of an element, of different elements, have the same what? Chemical properties. All right, and the third one is that they have what? Different what? Physical properties. All right, they have different physical properties, such as your boiling point and your melting point. Okay, so let's get back to the question. I says what? Isotopes of an element. The question says, which of the following statements are true of isotopes? Now, the first one says isotopes of an element have the same chemical properties because they have the same number of electrons. No. The second point says isotopes of elements are normally separated using physical properties. Yes. And the third point says what? Isotope of an element have the same number of protons in their nuclei. Yes. So this is the two correct statements. And our right option here should be option C, which is what? I2 and II3. Okay. So our right option is option C.